Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Servant, and welcome to Cafecito with Dr. Joe, where I pour you a cup of coffee and I talk about what's going on behind the scenes on my radio show and podcast. What's health got to do with it? The show is produced by WJCT Studios in Jacksonville, Florida, distributed on PRX wherever you listen to radio, as well as podcasts under the NPR umbrella wherever you get your podcasts. In an upcoming episode on March 7th, we did a show on the future of healthcare that we're calling Med 3.0. We had the pleasure and honor of interviewing the Chief Science Officer or Chief Medical Officer of Atria Institute, which is Dr. David Dodick. This is a very fascinating model of healthcare because they don't look at doctors or medicine as you coming to the doctor when you have a problem. They look at it as let's prevent the problem from starting at the beginning. It's all about prevention. So they flipped the entire healthcare model to see how can we care for people in a preventative mindset. I found our interview with Dr. Dodick incredibly informative, and to be honest with you, very forward thinking, because I think this is where the future is going to go. If we can figure out how to manage all of these issues in the medical sphere, especially with everyone having access to information, then prevention becomes the next frontier. And these folks have found a way to do that. Using tons of wearables and data. They try to use all that information for how you sleep, your pulse, everything that's going on with you to help prevent the next thing from happening. I think you're gonna find the interview pretty compelling, and I just found it just so interesting to see that's where we are looking towards in the future of medicine, and probably is going to be coming to us sooner than we think. So remember that from our March 7th episode, Med 3.0, where we interviewed Dr. Dave Dodick at the Atria Institute about how preventative medicine is the next wave of the future. Until then, remember those three things: stay healthy, keep in touch, y salud.